Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering and preparing the SoundLink Flex so pairing goes smoothly. Make sure the speaker has battery, charge for at least 2 hours if needed, because low power can interrupt initial pairing. Once charged, press and hold the power button until you hear the tone and see a steady white LED. That confirms boot. Now, enable Bluetooth on your phone and stay close, within about 1 meter, so the devices can discover each other without radio interference or accidental connection to other gadgets. Once the speaker is on, press the Bluetooth button until the Bluetooth LED blinks and you hear the pairing voice prompt. This puts the unit in discoverable mode. On your phone, choose Bose SoundLink Flex from the Bluetooth list. Pairing establishes a secure profile so audio plays reliably. After the devices connect, start playback and set volume moderately on the phone, then fine-tune on the speaker. This prevents sudden loud bursts. If you want stereo or multi-device control later, use the Bose app to manage settings and firmware. To finish, open the Bose app and install any firmware updates. That improves stability and adds small features, so make sure to do it when prompted. If you use 2 devices, enable multipoint so the speaker remembers both and you can switch by pausing one and starting the other. Press the Bluetooth button to reinitiate connection if needed. If something goes wrong, no sound or failed pairing, check volume, toggle Bluetooth on your phone, and if necessary, reset the speaker by holding the power button for 10 seconds, then retry pairing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.